Tired of job boards that feel like a black hole? Let's dive into crafting a Toptal profile that screams "Hire me," transforming you from a freelance ghost to a client magnet in under 90 seconds. First things first, aim for 100% profile completeness. This is crucial. Start by clicking on Apply as a freelancer, where you'll begin by setting up your profile to reflect your skills and experience. Select a professional headshot. It should be crisp, clear, and reflect the professional you are. No fuzzy selfies, please. Next, showcase your skills strategically. Choose the skills that you're not just good at, but that specifically align with the projects you want to land. Now, it's time to detail your experience. List past projects, focusing on your accomplishments. Don't just passively list duties. Quantify your impact. How did you improve a client's conversion rate? What was the size, the complexity of the team, or the project scope? Don't forget your portfolio. Upload samples where your best work. High-quality visuals and clear descriptions are key for showcasing your capabilities as a freelancer. Finally, craft a compelling About Me section. This is your elevator pitch. Briefly highlight your key skills, experience, and what sets you apart. Be clear, concise, and enthusiastic. Once you have provided information about yourself, review your information by clicking the review button and submitting your profile. This will complete your application. Then apply to jobs, and you're off to the races.